Welcome to the AJAX Engineering. This is your troubleshooting guide. If your machine is not moving forward or reverse, and the inching valve checks are completed, please follow these steps carefully to check the issue. Let's proceed to inspect the solenoid coil assembly on the Rexroth pump. On this pump, the top coil is for the reverse direction, and the bottom coil is for the forward direction. Step 1. Inspect the solenoid coil terminals and wiring connections. Make sure there are no loose, broken, or corroded contacts. If everything looks fine, move to the next step. Step 2. Check the wiring connections marked 124 and 125. If any wire is loose or disconnected from the coil, reconnect it properly and test the machine movement. Step 3. If the machine still does not move, check the supply voltage. Place the multimeter leads on terminals 124 and 125 and ask the operator to select the forward or reverse position using the FNR switch. The reading should show 12 volts. Step 4. Now insert the multimeter leads into the solenoid coil terminal and ask the operator to select the forward or reverse position using the FNR switch. If the coil terminal shows 12 volts, the power supply is fine. If no voltage is found, check the condition of the fuse. Step 5. To test the coil without a multimeter, remove the solenoid coil from the valve block. Insert a screwdriver into the center of the coil. Then ask the operator to activate the FNR switch. If the coil is working, the screwdriver will become magnetized. If it does not magnetize, the coil is faulty and must be replaced. Repeat the same procedure for both the forward and reverse coils. These are the basic troubleshooting checks to help resolve the issue of your machine not moving forward or reverse. If the coils are healthy but still no movement occurs, the issue may be related to the fuse or upstream power supply, which we will cover in the next troubleshooting video. For further assistance, please contact AJAX Engineering.